Hi everyone, my name is Kixin. I'm 23 years old and I studied civil engineering from MIT. So it was compulsory for me to do a 3 months internship to fulfill all the requirements of my university. So Career DC helped me to find an internship in civil engineering. During my 3 months internship, I have learned a lot of engineering software such as the AutoCAD, SpaceGas, and Revit. And now I'm more confident to start my career in civil engineering. I'd like to say thank you Career DC for finding me an internship, and I recommend everyone to do an internship with Career DC.